Every day! Let's go, dude! Give me that towel!
We're about to try a gainer. I'm really scared.
Get in the hole!
Just practicing. You are a GoPro.
Just shot up my nose.
Into the bomb. Absolute bomb.
Get it, guys! Let's get it! Charlotte and Max.
They just won against Connor.
And now they're mad.
How do you feel, Nick?
Yeah.
Scared.
Yeah, I'm a little scared.
This is like God's piss. Okay? It's fucking golden.
On camera?
I didn't say anything. Yeah, that was good. That was good.
We're out here on Connor's boat.
Whoa, look at that.
Final days, you know? What is that? The wave died.
Secrets, I can't do it.
All the moms on a fucking boat. It's fucking joy, imagine.
I just ate a chocolate frosting donut. I think I might puke overboard, but I'm alive.
Nick just wanted to say this. Make sure you like and subscribe. Note to self, edit yummy booty across the screen.
Hey, pound it, dog it.